Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and pairing, because a charged earbud will show up and let you use sound or signal tests. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth list and the maker's locator app, which gives a last-seen timestamp and map. This narrows the search area quickly. Make sure to note whether the earbuds are shown as connected versus just paired, since connection lets you trigger a sound. Start in the room indicated and keep your phone with you for scanning. Once you can trigger audio, play a distinct tone and move deliberately through the area while listening and scanning. Sound guides you fast, and proximity meters or RSSI readings show whether you're approaching. If the app lacks a sound feature, use Bluetooth signal strength apps or the phone's connection indicator to compare bars as you move. Make sure to check clothing pockets, bags, and under cushions. Small items often shift. If you lose the signal, pause. Retrace you finish by confirming recovery or enacting fallback steps. When you find them, test playback and reset pairing so reconnection is reliable next time, and charge the case fully. If they remain missing, use the last seen map to search that location again, mark the device as lost in the app, and ask others to check likely spots. If earbuds show offline, remember they could be in the case with a dead battery. So check the case, expand your Bluetooth sweep range, and enable notifications to catch the next connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.